$164,984 in passive affiliate commission using a free to start AI bot. Link is in the description, and not one. I'm going to show you two free to start AI bots that will make you money in multiple different ways, but we will start with affiliate marketing. It's completely beginner friendly. Anyone can do it from any experience level, any gender, any country. It can be done without a website, without experience, without technical knowledge, without a mailing list, without social media following. Sounds good? Awesome. Now let us quickly have a quick look and a deeper and a closer look on this screenshot. You see this money, $164,000 using an AI bot is super cool, but the money was not made in a factory. The money was in other people's pockets. It came to our pocket because we made videos and contents like this, but again, using AI bot. Wait for me, I will show you step by step how any beginner can do it starting today, but you need to understand the fundamental. The fundamental is, instead of trying to make all my money for myself, we try to help others using simple information that they are looking for. For example, you are looking to know how to make money online using free AI bot with affiliate marketing. So we are sharing this with you completely free without holding anything back. This way we build a relationship, a rapport with you. You know us, you like us, and eventually if you decide to buy something, you will choose to buy from us. That's a simple formula. Now, I'm not asking you to buy anything. I'm just asking you to understand the process. The process is focusing on helping others with the information they're looking for. So here is an example, $164,000 in affiliate commissions, but they all came from other people's pocket when they clicked our links, and these are the hops or the clicks, and through these clicks, they purchased the offer they were looking for and we were promoting. Or in other words, the offer we were promoting were something that they were looking for. Well, we'll come to that in a moment. We will break down step by step. Let us begin, but before we begin, hit the like button and share this video. This means a lot to us, and we are trying to help 100 million people in the next 10 years. We cannot do it without your help. We need your like and a share to reach out more people so everyone learns how to make money online. And the world is so big that even if everybody starts making money, we will not lose a single penny, so we have nothing to hold back. Awesome? Hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. This way YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. Now let me show you the AI bot that we use. We built our own AI bot, Epic. You have Epic free to start, link is in the description to make videos. Epic is our video creation software that makes videos without cameras and microphones using image and text. Epic turns text into natural sounding voiceover. Epic writes the script using artificial intelligence. Everything is included inside Epic, and Epic has the ability to take any text right here. I just paste the text here, and if I click submit, immediately all these sections will be generated. Each of these sections will be each paragraph of the text. And also links are in the description for all details. And let me quickly show you how to just upload a file, a text file, and make a video just like. So let's say you have a story or a script for your video written in a text file, and the text file is saved in your hard drive. Epic makes bite-sized videos in tiny little bit sections right here. Now you don't have any section, but in 1 second there will be. I will go to the text section and go to the text file to video section and click this upload text file button, then click choose file. So I will select this file and click open and then click submit, and in a matter of seconds on the right hand side you see all these tiny sections. Click on them and you see each paragraph is on the canvas. Here is an awesome part why we don't use microphone when we use Epic and why Epic is completely beginner friendly, because there is an audio section. If you want to upload your audio or voiceover file, super awesome, or you can record your voice directly through your microphone, or you can go to the text to audio section where you can click add and paste any text. That text will turn into natural sounding voiceover in just one click, so we don't need to record ourselves. Give it a title, select the quality, select the voiceover type, and just one click, the voiceover will be ready. Let me do it. Click, the voiceover is ready. Now go to the text to audio section and play. If you want to preview, play.
Only one word can be used to describe Squid Game: intense. The entire show is on an entirely new level.
I can pause it, I can just click add, and immediately it's added to this slide. And because we make our videos in small sections and we can save our work and come back later to finish this work, it's a completely lazy process. Now I can add any image from my library just in one click. Here it is. Or I can copy the link of any image and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be loaded on the canvas. How cool is that? Let me delete it, and instead of copying the address, let's copy the image from another site. So copy image, and I will click here, paste here, click upload, and immediately the image is in my library just in one click. I can use the image, talk about it, make a section of the video. And this way I can go on and on. I can save my project, come back later, add more section if I want in the same process. And once I'm happy with my section or the whole video, I'll simply click one render button and the video will be ready in the background. This is how we make videos for 20+ channels. So we don't need to stress about shooting long video and a tedious editing process. It's life made easy for complete beginners. So we can make videos. My 6-year-old son can make videos. Any beginner, team member, and Epic users make videos in just clicks, drags, drops, etc. So our videos are story-based, informative, educational, but it takes only a few minutes to build. That gets us thousands of clicks. Now all the helps are in this help page, and even there is a document training for quick guidance. All the softwares we have talked about are free to start. Links are in the description. Go grab them. Or you can just browse epic.ai. Links are in the description. Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Before I show you the second bot, here is how you make money. Look at this video. This video is nothing but image and text. Text is changing, and this is relationship fact. Over 15,000 likes. People love this tips video. This is nothing but 1-minute video with a background image or a background video and text changing that you can do using Epic in just 3 to 5 minutes of your time. Now from my experience, I can tell you from these 15,000 likes, total number of views are approximately 150,000. So are the clicks on the links. Now, where are the links? What offer can you promote in the description of your videos, in the first comment and in the bio? For that, go to ClickBank and create a free affiliate account. Now, this is just an example. You can use any niche in this system and any affiliate network of your choice. You can use Warrior Plus, you can choose JVZoo, Ratuken, or any other network, even CPA networks. But because this video is relationship related video, so I'm showing you relationship related offers that you can promote. On the left hand side under categories, go to self-help and click marriage and relationships subcategory. There you'll find all these relationship related offers. Now relationship related offers are always hot, evergreen, because it's a basic need of human life. The first thing you should look at is the number of gravity. Higher the gravity, more affiliates are making money, which means it's easy sell. It's new, it's hot. A lot of people already seen this offer promoted by a lot of affiliates. So a lot of people are already warmed up and ready to buy it. The second thing you should see the initial conversion, which is $54.74, which means if a person buys using your link, initially you will earn $54.74, which is not bad at all. The best part, which I like the most, is the recurring or rebill. Initially it looks $11.72. Probably it's a monthly rebill. Right now, at the beginning you might think $11, but after you reach 1,000 rebills per month, you will see $11,000 per month recurring income, completely passive affiliate commission while you didn't do anything. You simply promoted using a simple video like this, and this recurring affiliate commission is generating and coming to your account. How cool and how passive could it be? Now you can go on and check yourself and choose the best offer, best fit for your audience. To know more about who is the target audience, how should you promote, what kind of keywords and what what kind of other offers are people buying, you should go to affiliate page. Click here and you'll be taken on this page. These guys are trying to help their affiliates so affiliates can generate more sales for them. So go through everything they have given away, all the information, the product funnel, the what is his secret obsession, the affiliate promotion tools, and try to understand the offer, the audience, the pain of the audience, the solution they are offering, and you should be talking about in your videos, and you are totally ready for this. Now, by the way, this is the sales page of the offer through which you're going to make money. When you want to promote it, you click the promote button, and this will be your nickname, which is automatically generated. You can add a tracking ID that could be any string and create hop link. This hop link is your affiliate link. So copy it and put it in your website, put it in your video description, first comments, in the bio, everywhere. Now, I told you about the second AI bot that would make your life extremely easy, and that's called Texta.ai. Link is in the description. It's free to start. Now, let's say I want to write an article or a video script. I will simply go to the long form and try to write an article. So I will say tips for long distance relationship. There are two ways to go, simple and advanced. Simple is like this. You choose the language, you choose the output language and click generate article. An article is generating in the background. You just sit back and relax and your article is generated, and it's a 968 words article. Can't be any better than this. Okay, now let me show you the magic of Epic. Let's take for this example, take 3 paragraphs, copy them, go to Epic and click copy and paste text under the text section. Paste it here. Do a little more formatting of your choice. Make smaller paragraphs. They will look better. And the final look is this. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 paragraphs. Now look at the magic. Click submit and check right hand side. Immediately 7 sections of your video is ready. Each section contains each paragraph. You can now reformat them, change the text if you want, change the color if you want. If you want to add an image from Pixabay, just go to the image Pixabay section, choose an image, add it here. Maybe you can make it bigger, put the image underneath, reduce the opacity of the image if you want, change the orientation of the text. The choice is yours and you can do so much more. For that, click this help button and you'll be taken to the training page where you will learn all the secret tactics of Epic. So together, this Texta and Epic can turn you into an affiliate marketing monster, creating awesome contents that help people and attract others towards you, your content and your affiliate links. Make them click your links and buy from you and you will make money. That's the simplest form of making money online using affiliate marketing. All the AI bots links are in the description. They are free to start. Go grab them. Now tell me, did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way and the fun way, and our goal is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years. You can participate in this noble mission by hitting the like button and sharing this video with your friends, family, social media contacts with personal message, WhatsApp message, email, and sharing this video in your social media profiles like Facebook and Twitter and everywhere else so everyone else learn the same. They will love you for sharing this awesome information the same way we are doing it here. They will follow you and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is exactly how we make money and hundreds of thousands of other affiliates are making money. You can do it too. Start today. Start by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Switch on the notification bell button. This way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next one.